School lays one down there, he could open up a big lead. Big lead.
I was looking at all that earlier on how those guys were laying out before they come to Colorado.
So listen to the turbo spool. The smoke's going to go from gray to black, and you're going to watch old Scrappy lay down a monster pass.
Out of Goodland, Kansas.
Yeah, buddy!
That's what it's all about.
That's worth the price of admission right there.
Tractors called Scrappy.